Do you know how to make a glitter effect in Photoshop? If not, don't worry. I'll show you. Let's get started. Create a new file in Photoshop as per your required size. Then we have to select the rectangle tool. Why I'm selecting the rectangle tool? Because for the further actions, it will be easy for us to change the color of the shape. So I'm now selecting the color of darker shade. You can select darker color for creating a glitter effect. So it's okay. Now I have to create a new layer. Then I go to edit, fill, and select 50% gray from this drop down list. Click OK. Now go to filter and convert to smart filters. Click OK. Now again I'm going to add noise, so go to filter, click noise and add noise. I have to set it to between 5 to 7 and select the Gaussian and check the monochromatic. Hit OK. Change the blending mode to overlay. Now you can see if we zoom it, and here is a noisy effect created here. So I have to create a new layer below this noise layer and then select the brush tool with the hardness to 0% and add this light effect by using brush tool. Okay, I need to select some darker color here. I think it's okay. So that's how you can create this. Isn't it cool? I hope you liked this video. If you want to learn more amazing tips and tricks related to Photoshop, do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video as well. Thanks for watching.